Not many fall colors, but look what we did find. We went looking for fall colors in Arkansas, but instead we found two incredible waterfalls.
There he goes, walking in his waterfall again. Ryder makes friends with everybody, doesn't he?
Everybody.
We had a plan that didn't quite go as planned. We thought we'd catch some fall color in Arkansas, but I think we might have come a little early. That did not stop us from exploring though, and Ryder came along for the ride.
Craig, what are we doing today?
We're walking Ryder. We're just driving today to look at some fall foliage.
Road trip.
Road trip.
We found some leaves changing, but can you help us understand why the tree trunk is black?
Here's what we're talking about. Looks like it's black on the bottom. Mossy Bluff and Buckeye Trails, Mossy Bluff Disc Golf Course, and an overlook. Let's go check it out.
Our first stop was a short trail in Heber Springs. Not much color yet, but still a peaceful start to the day.
We're walking to the overlook. There's the dam.
Little Red River right below us.
Can't see it though through the trees. Can you see it?
Well, cut out a little bit.
I can see the lake over there on the other side of the dam.
Look at your child in the water.
No, every time there's a puddle, man. Ryder had to get in that puddle of water right there in the corner. You little ornery thing. Good thing we have a cover on our back seat. It's not so bad. It's just slanted. So you have to be careful, but they have replaced some boards, it looks like. Wow, okay. We're not climbing all these steps today, but it goes straight down, it looks like. I'm not sure what you can see when you get down there. Lots of steps. It just looks like the woods. So, we're just gonna go back up. So that was a lot of steps, and we're not quite up to all those steps today. Craig has a breathing test this week, so we're gonna hold off on too much exertion for him. Okay, I wasn't ready for that many steps either, I guess. So I won't blame it all on Craig. Welcome to Buckeye National Nature Trail. We're not taking trails today, we're just here for the leaves. We want to see some color. So this looks easier starting off than the other one. It doesn't have all the steps. picnic table. Guess you could just bring your lunch and sit out here.
We brought some lunch.
Well, it's a little chilly today to be sitting out here. It's, what's the temperature? 40 something?
44 the last I looked.
Oh. And what, 2 days ago it was in the 80s?
I got my nice warm jacket on.
Okay, we ready to go back? Not a bad trail. There's a tree down. And this is what it looks like in Arkansas. Right here. And we've had a backyard that looked like this, didn't we?
Yes. Lived here most of our life, never knew this was here.
Just a short little trail. And you can bring your lunch and have a picnic. We are crossing the dam that we just saw from the trail.
Let's go north. Going through Mountain View, Arkansas is always a treat. It is the folk music capital of the world. We'll spend a little more time here on another video.
Get up. What is it? You see it?
It's water.
It's water. Let's go get a drink. Where we at, Becky?
Is this 56?
I don't know if it's considered 56 here, but we're at Blanchard Springs.
There we are. He's excited to be out of the car.
Yeah, ain't you glad we brought him? So we didn't have the best lunch. I mean, I always like Taco Bell.
If it would have been warm outside, we could have sat outside somewhere.
Yeah. Early.
Nothing like a little bit of exercise, huh? It's cold.
Hope we don't run into a bear.
Don't say that.
Well, I guarantee you, it's just as likely to be. There's a bear, Paul.
Smarty pants.
See your little tracks?
Mm-hmm. I don't think that's a bear. Too small.
Oh, that could be a bear.
What is that?
Yep. Or a big cat.
Either way, don't want to run into him. Ryder's like, come on. He's wagging his tail too. Oh.
Mine.
Isn't that pretty?
That is pretty.
Rocks. Got to get in the water. There he goes, walking in his water bowl again. And Craig's making friends again. He's always making friends. And Ryder. Ryder makes friends with everybody, doesn't he?
Everybody.
Just like Craig does. Craig has so many best friends, it's unbelievable.
It's cause this pretty face I got.
We might not have found the fall colors we were looking for, but the waterfalls more than made up for it. The perfect spot for a little hike and some dog-approved fun.
That heck of a fall off that.
Down by the old mill stream. Is it kind of flimsy there? Craig?
No, I just bumped it on my leg. I walked too close to it. That's what it was, wasn't it?
An old mill, I guess. People walking around down there.
Yeah, because you see all, it was big. Look how big it was. And they told me way back down this way.
And it's hard to see through the trees.
Not what we expected, but worth every mile. We didn't find the fall colors we were hoping for, but this trip turned out better than we imagined. Arkansas always surprises us.
Hey, buddy. You watching those people? You having fun? We found a few trees that had changed colors, but people in the north may not understand this. But when we say in Arkansas that we're going to try to find fall colors, I mean it's a journey. Am I right?
You're right. We've seen a few real pretty trees.
And that's it.
That's it. But we've seen some beautiful scenery.
We did.
And Ryder's had a real good time today. The caverns here at Blanchard Springs was closed due to short of fundings. Is that what they said?
Funding shortage, yeah.
So probably the rangers are probably not getting paid during the shutdown.
So hopefully the shutdown's about over.
Let's hope so. I'm gonna stop at that.
Yeah. No politics here.
Better turn it off.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoy road trips, waterfalls, and adventures with Ryder, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next trip.